Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Legend Nano X. This is just an update of the shipment or whatsoever that previously, if you are new here, might know that I've done a review of Legend Nano X. It's going to pop up above, and let's get started. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to know my future uploads. And of course, remember to like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm and helps the channel out very much, that I know that people are watching and they are liking the video. So let's get started. So basically, the Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet produced by Ledger, which is a new model, but it has been delayed since then. And of course, they have been updating on their social media and making videos that this is I would say, from my own personal opinion, it is somehow like the best wallet out there that you could find, use from a day-to-day basis, which is somewhat because of the company. Ledger itself is very reputable. Many people has bought the Ledger Nano S version, and of course has been from then the company has been very reputable. And as you can see, I have bought my Ledger since the where was it? So over here, my order, it has been since 8th of Jan. So from 8th of Jan to now, it is quite a long time, such a delay, because they say on March they would um ship out the orders and etc. But unfortunately, there was a shipping delay due to unexpected production issue that surfaced at last moment. So this was around, I would say, around March period or earlier, February end. They have released this news over here due to unexpected production issue. They have surfaced the problem at the last minute, and so far they are sorry that they can't ship out the Legend Nano units this week, so it is on March. So yeah, basically they are trying to do their best to produce this Ledger Nano X, and from there, yeah, basically I ordered it when it was viewing pre-order, therefore it is somewhat um a unique one. It is somehow the limited edition one from people that have ordered later. I do not know if you are the one that ordered early or whatsoever, but if you are keen about Legend Nano X or the Ledger company, I'm here to somehow do a brief update and talk about them. So as you can see, Legend Nano S, it is the cheaper product which is connected via to your computer, your desktop, or computer, desktop, and if you have the cable to connect it to your mobile, it is possible. And from there, this has no Bluetooth features, and it is also portable, but you are not able to use it on your mobile, from what I know, because the Legend Nano X has this features with the Bluetooth, and you can download the Left Ledger app on your mobile. This app over here, this is the desktop version, so you are able to see it on the mobile app, and from there you are just basically connecting it through Bluetooth, and from there you are able to send crypto just by carrying the Legend Nano X out with you. And the Legend Nano X itself has a battery life, so it is a portable device. You can bring it out, like let's say you're a businessman dealing with crypto or whatsoever, you can bring this around, and it is going to be very convenient with you if you are a business owner or a business person, or let's say you're a consumer that use crypto daily. And of course, this Legend Nano X is going to be very portable, and I would say somehow expensive for users who are not really uh using crypto that often on their daily basis. If you are keen to collect one, like what I mean by collect, meaning like me, I would basically try my best to save up money and buy the Ledger product and other hardware wallet that is out on the market. So from there, I'm able to somehow keep it as my crypto collection, and next time in the future, maybe display it out, or maybe the company went down, or yeah, basically they stopped issuing this kind of model or this design. I'm able to have it as a collection. It's like a hobby. Like some people collect notes, some people collect coins and gold or whatsoever. But for me, crypto is such an interesting innovation. Technology behind it is very awesome. That's why I'm into crypto, and hardware wallets is the most secure device that you can have and keep your crypto safely. Not like on an exchange or trusting anybody to secure the website, their infrastructure, just to keep your crypto safe, because remember, crypto crypto, it is you have to deal it responsibility your responsibility to keep it secure, like you are the bank, you are owning the money. That's how you gonna secure your hardware wallet, your crypto or whatsoever. So the Ledger Nano X has Bluetooth enabled, and yeah, still on the pre-order stage. So if you are keen getting one, if let's say you are a crypto user and a new one, I would say, and you are not really doing well with, like, let's say day trading or investment or whatsoever, but it is better to keep a Ledger Nano S to store your crypto, which is somehow also a good way and a secure way to store your crypto. Therefore, you can use my referral link down below to buy any Ledger product, and I'm gonna get a commission. And from there, yeah, basically this is gonna help me out with other hardware reviews, like the I don't know, like on the market there's somehow like a new wallet like Fini or whatsoever. My goal is just to review all of it, and of course, by doing that, I need help, and money doesn't fall off the sky. I have to earn it. Therefore, using the referral link down below is gonna give me a commission fee, which is somewhat, I would say, good enough. Just by you buying a hardware wallet, you are not, if you are using my link, you are not paying extra or whatsoever. You're just paying the original price. And for me as a referrer, you're helping out and supporting the channel as well, just by getting the hardware wallet, and I get the commission given by Ledger. So it is awesome. And the delay, so basically they did not meet the quality standard, therefore they threw off the whole schedule. So yeah, this is a good thing, and I salute them for doing that, because most company out there, if the quality does not meet the standard and they have already like somewhat spent this bunch of money to produce something, and they will not like to throw it all away, because it is a waste of money and a waste of resource and time. So basically, some company, if the quality doesn't meet the standard or whatsoever, they would just basically proceed with it. And of course, when people complain, they're just gonna do, like, not say a full refund. Some companies generous enough to do a full refund, and of course, some will just give you vouchers or coupon or an exchange for a new product in the future. But Ledger, it is just basically, that's why I say Ledger is a good company, because quality matters to them. And of course, this is the hardware wallet that we're talking about. Imagine the hardware wallet, this Nano X came out and there was a security flaw. It is going to trash Ledger's reputation. And from there, yeah, this is just like what I think about Ledger. They prioritize security and the design and the quality of the product as much as their customer base. Therefore, Ledger, it is quite a good hardware wallet that I would say that I'm being storing my crypto. But the the most used hardware wallet that I'm using, which is Trezor, I like the touchscreen feature, and yeah, basically just access it on web and everything is easier, I would say, instead of Ledger that I have to click and click and click. But I'm just waiting for the Ledger Nano X to come out, and of course, yeah, it might be the next wallet that I'm going to use more frequently, because it is portable and yeah, it's on the go. So as you can see over here, enable secure device that's got a private key, make sure all your crypto are safe and wherever you go. And there's a video over here. I'm gonna, yeah, basically just click on the product and Ledger Nano X. You are gonna head to this page using the referral link down below, and you are able to, yeah, watch the whole video. I have not watched it personally, but after I make this video, I'm gonna watch it. And yeah, just like a fan of Ledger. And of course, that's the end of the video, just talking through. And the state of art of security, I'm not sure about what is it. So basically, there's a two button and one screen to verify any transaction. So I assume that the button is over here, and here to navigate left, right, and maybe you tap it together. It is like showing you that, yeah, enter this application. And from there, there's a CC, don't know what is this chip and this thing over here. I am not a security expert, and I do not know hardware security as well. I'm not gonna comment much on that, but yeah, basically, as you can see over here, they have won the Innovation Award, the CES 2019, which is kind of cool. Yep, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you like this update. And of course, yeah, basically I'm just trying to post within a week. I try to post almost every day, but if I do not have the time to, I'm very sorry that I disappoint you, but I'm trying my best to grow the channel. And of course, giving you guys update and opportunities on the channel. That's why it will be a great support to click on the subscribe button, the post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends and family if you think this video is helpful, or if they already bought a ledger, this might help them to understand ledger that they are not scamming or whatsoever, because there's a delay of, let's say, from March till now is around 2 months. So as you can see, a delay of 2 months, and yeah, basically I think I know the frustration of buying something and not receiving the product being stated on their pre-order sales, the sales page. So basically they are not trying to scam you or whatsoever, just a manufacturer issue or whatsoever. So have faith and trust Ledger, because I believe in them a lot, and of course can't wait for this new hardware wallet to be on my hands and do an unboxing video about it. And let's end this video with a peace.